Imagine a giant torch, ablaze, day and night. It spews flames and smoke into the atmosphere. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. This is gas flaring, a common practice in the oil and gas industry. When oil is extracted, natural gas often comes up too. Sometimes this gas is considered waste. It's too expensive to capture and transport. So companies burn it off, releasing harmful pollutants into the air we breathe. This practice, while seemingly necessary, comes at a steep cost. The World Bank estimates that over 140 billion cubic meters of gas are flared annually. That's enough energy to power the entire African continent. Why do we flare gas? The primary reason is safety. Natural gas is highly flammable. During oil extraction, pressure can build up. Flaring releases this pressure, preventing dangerous explosions. Another reason is economic. Building the infrastructure to capture, process, and transport gas is expensive. In remote locations, it's often not economically viable, so flaring becomes the default option. However, this short-term thinking has long-term consequences. Flaring releases carbon dioxide, methane, and black carbon into the atmosphere. These are potent greenhouse gases contributing to climate change. The environmental impact of flaring is undeniable. Millions of tons of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere each year. Methane, a far more potent greenhouse gas, is also a major byproduct. But the cost isn't just environmental, it's economic too. The World Bank estimates that $14 billion worth of gas is wasted annually through flaring. That's money literally going up in smoke. Furthermore, flaring releases harmful pollutants like black carbon and sulfur dioxide. These contribute to respiratory problems and acid rain, impacting human health and ecosystems. Section 4. Turning waste into wealth. Flare gas recovery systems. Fortunately, there's a solution: flare gas recovery systems. These systems capture the gas that would otherwise be flared and convert it into usable energy. Instead of wasting this valuable resource, we can harness its power. How do they work? First, the gas is captured at the source, then it's processed to remove impurities. Finally, it can be used to generate electricity, power local industries, or even be injected back into pipelines for transport. Companies like Siemens, John Zink, Hamworthy Combustion, and Zico are at the forefront of this technology. They're developing innovative solutions to capture and utilize flare gas, turning a waste product into a valuable resource. Section 5. A brighter future, embracing flare gas recovery for a sustainable tomorrow. Reducing gas flaring is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic opportunity. By investing in flare gas recovery systems, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change, generate clean energy and power communities, create jobs and stimulate economic growth, and improve air quality and public health. The future is bright for flare gas recovery. As technology advances and costs decrease, we have a moral and economic imperative to embrace this solution. Let's work together to extinguish the unnecessary flames of gas flaring and build a more sustainable future for all.